Starting to weed some of the bigger pieces. And as you can see, I've cut along there to make it a little easier. And you just work it down carefully. Try not to pull up any lettering. Try to stay on my mat in case I have to cut something. And what I'm revealing here is my email address. I'll go on the back of the window in case anybody wants to contact me. Well, no, right here I cut a block, which is no big deal because I've got the top half of it. I can still line it up. So all that I just pulled off is garbage. That's why vinyl lettering costs so much. There's a lot of waste. So now I'll come back and pull out the centers. Sometimes you're going to mess a letter up, but the good thing about it is I can go back in and just cut one letter if I need to. If I mess a letter up putting it on, there's a spot that didn't cut very well for some reason. If I mess a letter putting it up on, I can cut another letter. Now I do this vinyl lettering for everybody. If you need some vinyl lettering, just contact me. If you have an idea, need a sketch, or have a sketch, I can take your sketch and refine it down into a finished product. And then I can send the vinyl lettering to wherever you are. I used to do full color vinyl printing. I don't do anymore. This is called spot color. I can do 2-3 colors on a logo or a name, or your RV name or something, whatever you like. I would just need a total height, total width of the area it's going into. Then I can fit it. Then I email you a proof, get you a price, and get it done and send it to you. It's easy to make a mistake if you rush. You don't watch each letter as you're pulling it to make sure it's not coming up. So instead of trying to pull that up, I'll just pull it out. And that is another part. Ready to go on the window. We're just about ready. I put the transfer tape on it. Again, I've been doing vinyl lettering since 1993, I guess. Got my first computer. Okay, so we need that much. As you can see, that's not going to quite cut it because we'll go over the block. So I need to get my vinyl out. Again, that's why I built these cabinets the way I built them. To hold my transfer tape, to hold my cutter, to hold my laminator. If you need something laminated, I can laminate up to 24 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover this all at once. Just lay it down and stick it a little bit. Flip it over. There's several ways you can do this. You can do it like that, or you can take another piece of vinyl and push it. So there's lots of ways you can do this. When the roll is large, I like to push it a little bit. When it's smaller, I just do it by hand. Cut off my excess. back on the roll. Put it back in its spot. Now we'll squeegee it down. And when I pick this up, since this is a silicone paper, it picks that right up with it. So I can put that right on the window. Now the American Wander and my email address are on two different locations on the window, so I'll cut them apart. So now, as you can see, if I were to, the blocks lined up, you just line up the blocks like so, and then that would make it level and parallel. Alright, those two pieces are done. I've got the red done. I've got the mountains done. And all I got is the white left to do. And then it'll be ready to go on the window. I'm going to go out and clean it real well, and I'll videotape putting it on. Alright, I'll catch you in a bit.